Welcome to our channel. Verifying your MyFitnessPal account enhances security and ensures you have full access to all nutrition tracking features. Step 1. Create a MyFitnessPal account or log into your existing account using the mobile app or website. Step 2. Check the email address you used during registration for a verification email from MyFitnessPal that was automatically sent. Step 3. Open the verification email and click on the Verify email address link to confirm your email and activate full account features. Step 4. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder, where automated emails sometimes get filtered. Step 5. Request a new verification email by visiting your account settings and selecting the option to resend verification. Step 6. Log into your MyFitnessPal account settings to confirm your email shows as verified with a green checkmark or verified badge. Step 7. Complete your profile setup by adding personal information like height, weight, and fitness goals for accurate calorie tracking. Step 8. Enable additional security features like two-factor authentication if available to protect your health and nutrition data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.